Bit of a wet start to the day again. Hopefully today we'll wash a decent amount of beet. We've got Ant's taking the tanker out. He's moving slurry from pit to pit. We're going to get a couple of the trailers in the workshop just to do a bit of maintenance on them, bit of TLC. Check off the trailer checklist. We check them once a month just to make sure they're all roadworthy and safe. And see where the rest of the day takes us from there. This trailer's got an issue with its ram when it tips up, so we're just gonna get that out, tip it up, and have a look at what might be wrong with it and see if we can fix it. It all looks very interesting. Careful, George. Steve jumped out his skin then. Just lifting the body of the trailer up so we can work underneath. Letting the telehandler take the strain. Then we can have a look at the ram underneath. Jamie and Andrew are just blowing out Jamie's tractor after a season of hedge trimming. Got a bucket full of debris there. Perks of the job, he gets to keep a bit of foliage. Just using the cheater to blow a load of air in, try and clear it out. Did it work, Jamie? 1,000 hours of hedge trimming, and that's what Jamie's managed to pull out of the nooks and crannies of his tractor.
It's technical stuff here, mate.
Jamie's just using the new camera that we purchased at Llama Show. Make sure he's cleaned everything out.
Takes a pound in, mate, look. You have good time with this one.
That gets places that you can't normally. Just going to go and do another recycle run. Recycle the spray cans. They've all been triple rinsed and stored up from spring and summer spraying last year, and we take them off to be recycled in the winter when it's wet. We've already done a few loads. This should be the last of it now. Ready for a lot more cans in the months to come. Look at that. That's how you keep your staff happy. Mother Lee's baked them a cake. On Jamie's request, most likely. He seems to be the favourite. Will's out, emptying the spray cans, the recycling centre. And I wasn't given a hard hat, so I've had to stay in the dry. You win some, you lose some. The combine was getting in the way down at the grain store, so Steve's just brought it back to the yard, tucked it away in the side of the shed. This combine was bought back in the summer, just before harvest. S790. After the previous one did a 12-year stint for us. Another pretty quiet day. The weather's not being kind to us at the moment, and I had a meeting with the accountants for 3 hours, so couldn't capture everything, but a little insight. Thank you for watching, and hopefully tomorrow brings a bit more interest and activities. Cheers.